And basically what Con's doing here now, he's grinding up the wattle seed, which I'll hand it around now so you can have a look and even a taste if you like. So the women, this is what they'd be going around gathering all the different seeds and nuts and fruits, whatever was in season at the time. You know, it would vary, it was a movable feast. I mean, this time of year, like we've had a bit of rain just recently, things are starting to green up, so a lot of the trees will be coming into flower and fruiting again fairly soon. So they'll be walking around, gathering these seeds. This will be hours and hours of work just in here. What's in there now, that would take hours and hours to gather. So they'd be going to, this is off the wattle plant, this is the wattle seed. A lot of the plants here in this area are various species of acacia. That's the dominant species. So they'd be gathering these different seeds, and this is how they'd process the seed. They'd be like it's a bit like our pestle and mortar sort of situations, you know. So these grinding rocks, they would have them on site, and they'd leave them on site, and each different site they'd go, they'd have a separate one of these. They wouldn't carry it with them because it was pretty heavy, so they'd just leave it there, and they'd be grinding it up like so. They'd grind the seed into like a sort of like a patty, like a, you know, like in a flour, a little bit of water with that, make like a little biscuit or a patty, and then that would be put into the fire and cooked on a low heat, and that was effectively like their source of bread and, you know, the biscuit. Very, very high in nutrients, you know, very high in protein and various nutrients. I'll hand that around so you can have a look. And you can taste it.
Then we just add water to it.
Yeah. They just add water, yeah. Make the mixture and add a bit of water and then put it on the fire.
I've just ground some of them down, of course, with Aboriginal people in the past.